Hi, I'm Maddie.
And I'm Adele, and we're best friends. We both work at Vera Bradley, and today we are going to show you how to pack for the best girls' road trip ever.
Adele and I have been best friends for about 10 years.
Our most memorable first huge trip together, I would say we all went on a show choir trip down to Florida.
The most memorable part was definitely the car ride down there because we had never been on that long of a trip together. So we knew that once we arrived, we would either be best friends or we would hate each other. And luckily, we became best friends.
This summer, Maddie and I are gonna hit the road again, and we're gonna go to Washington, D.C. for a long weekend.
We're visiting our best friend Chandler, and we've actually each taken solo road trips out there, but this will be our first one together.
We are gonna try to do this all in one day, but of course, there will be coffee stops.
Yes, and snack stops.
Obviously. Maddie and I agree on a lot of things. However, packing is not one of those things. I am a very minimal packer, and Maddie loves to overpack.
I pack for every situation, and I pack for every type of weather. I also pack for if I get something on my shirt during lunch, I'll be able to change it 2 or 3 times before I decide which outfit I like. The most important thing is to plan ahead. You've got to make sure you've got your playlist created. You want to make sure you know who's driving, which is Adele. I'm not sure if she knows that yet. And you want to make sure that you're coordinating who's packing what so that you're not packing double. You also need to bring a gift for the host. I start packing weeks in advance before our trip. I also like to write out each outfit that I'm going to wear on each day and throw a couple extra outfits in there just in case. A pro tip for packing is rolling all of your clothes and packing them in the reverse order that you're going to wear them. There are a lot of essentials I like to pack for my road trip. Pajamas, a swimsuit, towel, flip-flops, extra outfits, but most importantly, makeup and toiletries. For that, I love the Grand Hanging Organizer. As you can see, I've got makeup, my toothbrush and toothpaste, combs and brushes, and my full-size shampoo and conditioner. When we're out and about in the city, I'm obviously not going to bring my Grand Weekender, so I've opted for the small backpack. I love it because I can be hands-free and it has a side pocket for my cell phone. When it comes to packing for a long weekend, I need a bag that can carry all of my essentials while not taking up too much space. This is why I love the Midtown Travel Bag. My favorite part of the Midtown Travel Bag would have to be this bottom shoe compartment. I'm obviously gonna wear a pair of shoes on the trip, but I'm also gonna bring a nice comfy pair of shoes to walk around the city in, and then a pair of flip-flops for the pool. No matter the season, I'm always bringing along those staples when I'm packing. So that's things like, a solid t-shirt or a striped t-shirt, and then just mixing and matching with denim. And then I'm obviously gonna have my swimsuit since it's the summertime, and then some lightweight pajamas. So when it comes to packing my toiletries, it does not get better than the Midtown Cosmetic. I love that it unzips all the way so it lays flat, and then I can go ahead and put some of my makeup over here, and then always those travel-sized toiletries right there. Go ahead and zip it up all the way and put it at the top. So my favorite bag when I'm out and about in the city is definitely the Sling backpack. It's small but bitey. It has 4 separate compartments. There's these 2 up front for your phone, your wallet, your keys. Then you also have this main compartment, which is big enough to carry something like a light sweater or a book, and then you have additional hidden pocket in the back for anything else. One tip I'm pretty big on is coordinating your packing list. As you know, Maddie likes to plan ahead big time, and I tend to procrastinate a little bit. So I always see what Maddie has already packed and then coordinate my packing list too so we don't have any duplicates. I can definitely borrow her blow dryer or her sunscreen so that way we are maximizing on space in our car. One of my biggest tips is to pack for the trip, not just the destination. Maddie and I are gonna be in the car for almost 17 hours together. The car ride needs to be just as fun as when we're in Washington, D.C. So first and foremost, you've gotta have snacks, which we'll put in our cooler tote. And then we're obviously gonna have water and our drink tumblers. I'm a great navigator, and I like to ride shotgun, so when I get tired, I've got to use my travel blanket and curl up and take a nap.
One of the perks of being a minimalist packer is having plenty of room to bring back souvenirs. I like to bring along the Packable Duffel because it actually folds down to just this size. But when you open it up, it's this full-size duffel that has plenty of room to bring back whatever you like.
It's important to always be prepared. The beauty of road trips is that you can pack as much as your car can fit. So I don't shy away from those just-in-case items like an umbrella or extra cords or an extra pair of shoes or 6.
Impromptu.
I feel like you have to plan a little bit.
If I Can't Have You by Shawn Mendes. ASAP.
Yeah, we need to get there right away. You duh!
Such a toughie. I'm gonna have to go with Maddie. Don't forget to subscribe.